Milo, a curious and adventurous young boy. Lily, Milo's best friend and a clever, talking rabbit. Mr. Oaktree, a wise and friendly old tree. Sparkle, a mischievous and playful firefly. Captain Whiskers, a brave and adventurous cat. Scene 1, Milo's backyard. Milo is playing in his backyard, exploring and pretending to be a great explorer. Milo, excitedly, today, Lily, we shall embark on a great adventure. We'll uncover secrets and treasures never seen before. Lily, Poppy, I'm ready, Milo. Lead the way? Scene transition to a forest. Scene 2, the Enchanted Forest. Milo and Lily enter a magical forest filled with tall trees and colorful flowers. They come across Mr. Oaktree. Milo, look, Lily. It's Mr. Oaktree. He knows everything about this forest. Lily, hello, Mr. Oaktree. We're on an adventure. Do you know of any hidden treasures? Mr. Oaktree, Milo and Lily. You seek treasures, but remember, the greatest treasures are the ones you find within yourselves. Keep exploring with open hearts. Scene transition to a meadow. Scene 3, the mysterious meadow. Milo and Lily continue their journey and find themselves in a meadow with sparkling butterflies and buzzing bees. Suddenly, Sparkle, the firefly, appears. Sparkle, hey there, adventurers! Need some help finding treasures? Milo, yes, please. We're looking for something magical and extraordinary. Sparkle, follow me. I'll lead you to a hidden waterfall with a special surprise. Scene transition to a hidden waterfall. Scene 4, the hidden waterfall. Milo, Lily, and Sparkle reach a stunning waterfall hidden deep within the forest. They see a cave behind the waterfall. Milo, wow! This is incredible! What could be inside that cave? Lily, let's find out, Milo. But be careful, it might be dangerous. They cautiously enter the cave. Scene 5, the treasure within. Inside the cave, they discover a chest glowing with magical light. Milo, look, Lily. We found it! The treasure! Lily, but the real treasure is the journey we took together, Milo. The memories we made and the lessons we learned. Scene transition back to Milo's backyard. Scene 6, Milo's backyard, the conclusion. Milo and Lily return to Milo's backyard. Milo, what a day, Lily!